if you want to learn how to make more sales for your info product business this year, I'm going to show you that in just a few seconds or minutes. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get more sales for your info products by adding affiliates, having people to sell the products for you. In this channel, I talk about online business, income hacks, digital marketing, NFTs, and the metaverse. So please like this video and also don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. Stay to the end of this video and I'll show you how to get more sales by adding people as affiliates to sell your info products for you. All right, so currently I'm logged into my Selar account. All right, so Selar is an amazing platform that helps Nigerians and other national and countries to create and start an info product business. All right, so I already did a video about info product businesses and how you could make a ton of money from them, and I would link up to that video right here. Now, one of the ways for you to make big money this year is through info product businesses, and I'll show you how to do that by adding affiliates. All right, so an affiliate, what it does is you get their email, all right, and then you add them to your Selar account. All right, you could decide to add them on a particular product or all your products. Okay, and you decide how much commissions you want to give them. So what this means is, so for instance, I have just one product here. I'll let you look at that right now. Okay, so this is the product that I have, just a test product, and the cost for this, I used 620,000 naira, so that is about $1,000 plus. All right, so now if I decided to add an affiliate to help me sell this particular product, I would have to decide on how much commissions I want to pay them. So it could be 30%, it could be 40, 50%, 20%, all right, 80%. Okay, so what that means is when I add them to this particular product as an affiliate, they will get a notification from Selar, all right, in their email, all right. So it will give them access to a unique link, all right, that they'll be using to promote this product. So when they tell their friends, the contacts about this particular product and the person buys through their link, I would see that they made the sale, and Selar would automatically process their commissions straight to the account. All right, so let me show you how to get this done. So first things first, if you don't have any product yet on Selar, just click this link. I would also link back to the video to help you see how to create your own info product. This could be a course, an ebook, lots of amazing stuff. All right, so just make it digital. So now here I'm going to show you how to add affiliates. So first things first, you want to click on this. Let me head back to the dashboard so you can see. All right, so this is how my dashboard looks like. All right, and we want to head over back to this navigation menu. Click on it, and over here you see their dashboard, product, sales, customers, sales pages, wallets and payouts, affiliates. So this is where you want to click on. So if you click here, then we see there are two options here. Now you could bulk upload affiliates. So for instance, if you have lots of affiliates, people requesting to be your affiliates, and they are like 10 people, 20, 100, 1,000, you would want to use this option. So if you click on it, you just have to upload the contact, but this requires a pro plan or a turbo plan, and I don't have that right now. Okay, so you have to click here to get that done. But if you already click here, you get this pro or turbo plan. You just have to get the CSV list of the emails and then upload it. That's all you need to do. But if for instance you just have a couple, just a few people, just first of all get their email address and you click on this particular button that says add an affiliate. Now when you click on it, it just says simply enter the email address of anyone you want to add as an affiliate, and we'll send them an email automatically with the affiliate link. This is how it works. It's very automatic and simple. Okay, now next thing, you want to choose how many products or what products you want the person to be an affiliate for. So for instance, if I had like say 5 products here, I would see the option to choose a particular product I want that person to be an affiliate for. Now, currently, I have just one product, okay? But I want this to be all products. So I'm not going to choose all products, okay? And then enter the email address of the person. I'll just use one of my email addresses and all right, and do that. So percentage, um, so let's say I want to use 50%. So this is it. All right. So this is how it works. You want to uncheck this, all right? Or if you decide, you could just leave it checked. Okay, I'll have that unchecked for mine. Then you click on add affiliate. So now what happens is Selar automatically creates that affiliate link for you and the person. So this is the person's email. Of course, this is my email, just using this for a test. Selar would send that person this link to their email address, all right? And they would have to sign up, and then once they use this link, they copy it, and then they say we copy this, and they share it with their friends and tell them how this product will be of benefit to them if the person buys. um so you see, they head back to my products sales page. Okay, so if the person decides to buy this particular product, all right, and they check out, now Seller would send the person, the affiliate, 50% of this particular amount, all right, and then send myself the rest of the money. So this is how you get more sales. Okay, that way you're not working alone. People are this is like you're leveraging people's contacts and resources to make more sales. So that means imagine you just added someone as an affiliate, and you got in about over 300,000 naira, which is close to $700 plus, while you sleep. Others are doing the work for you and you're getting the payment. So this is how you build your info products business. By the way, I'm going to leave a link down below if you want help to build your own info product business. I have a great resource that would help you do that. All right, so click the link down below to reach me, and I'll help you set this up. All right, so leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how difficult this was for you to understand on a scale of 1 to 10. All right, so thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.